Snakes with bat wings flying high, rat faces with spider eyes, crawling on lobster claws so wide. These hybrid creatures can't be denied. Sweet combination, strength and imagination, nature's mix in perfect formation. Monsters of creation, no hesitation. Hybrids from beyond, a new sensation. With locust eyes that leap, crocodiles with stingers that creep, deer ants and lions blend and sweep. In this world, the limits break and see. Sweet combination, strength and imagination, nature's mix in perfect formation. Monsters of creation.